silence. Does silence really exist? Truth is, silence is relative. Sound intensity is measured in decibels. Background noise is much more prevalent in our lives than we think. The ambient sound level is rarely at 0 decibels, the lowest level audible by the human ear. As an example, the sound of ventilation in an office ranges between 20 and 40 decibels. To really understand what's going on, let's take a look at what sound is. Sound is a vibration that propagates through matter. It propagates from molecule to molecule. Similar to the wave effect at a sports stadium. The first person influences the next one to get up, which then influences the next, and so on. Everyone sits down right after. If molecules, or the sports fans in a stadium, are really close to each other, what happens? Sound travels faster, as energy is more easily transmitted to neighboring molecules. Therefore, matter is the key to sound propagation. Hence, acoustic experts are studying the properties of materials and devices to absorb sound, or to precisely control its path, depending on the needs. In emptiness, that is to say, in the absence of matter, sound vibrations cannot propagate, just like a single sports fan in an empty stadium can't make waves. Sound absolutely needs matter to travel. This is why there are no sounds in space. The emptiness of space is nothing like the torments of Chinese water torture. That's real silence. Houston, we have a problem. It's unbelievable how much the human ear can hear. Even everything that it doesn't want to hear. All of these sounds are part of our soundscape, but do we all hear the same sounds? In reality, there are sounds that humans can theoretically hear, and those they actually hear. Let's take a closer look at this. Humans can perceive sound frequencies ranging between 20 and 20,000 hertz. There are also very low frequency sounds, below 20 hertz, called infrasound. The human ear cannot perceive these sounds, but some animals, such as elephants, can hear them clearly. Then there are really high-pitched sounds, higher than 20,000 hertz, called ultrasound. Dogs, cats, dolphins, and bats, among others, can hear them clearly, while humans can't perceive them at all. The pavilion of the human ear picks up sound waves, which are then amplified in the auditory canal. They are next transmitted toward the middle ear and then to the inner ear, where they are processed into signals interpreted by the brain. However, ears may sustain damage through aging, exposure to very loud noises over long periods of time, sickness, and some people are born deaf. Unless you deliberately don't want to hear a sound, turning a deaf ear is an entirely different concept. I'm not the type to do that. Well, not often. Hi, Louie!